Hello and welcome to this overview tutorial on how to use the employee health screening data template. Health screening is the process of checking employees for early signs of health conditions or potential risks before symptoms appear. It plays a key role in identifying health issues early, promoting timely intervention, and preventing the spread of illnesses in the workplace. Regular health screening supports employee well-being, reduces absenteeism, and helps create a safer, more productive working environment. It also ensures compliance with occupational health standards and shows that an organization values the health of its workforce. This template is designed to help you efficiently capture, manage, and analyze employee health data in a structured and organized way. So, let's start exploring and see how this tool can support workplace wellness and better health data management. The bar chart in the center, titled Next Screening Date Status, visually represents the timing status of upcoming employee health screenings. It helps track whether screenings are still within schedule, approaching the due date, already overdue, or significantly delayed. The chart features 4 color-coded bars: green for still on time, yellow for due soon, red for overdue, and gray for tracking time-lapsed. Each bar displays the count of employees falling into each category based on the next scheduled health screening date. This visual tool makes it easy to monitor compliance, prioritize follow-ups, and ensure timely screenings, which is essential for maintaining a healthy and well-managed workforce. The shape on the left displays the total number of health screening records captured so far, which is 7. Tracking all records is important for accurate analysis, compliance monitoring, and promoting employee wellness across the organization. The shape on the right displays the current date, helping users track real-time updates and ensure timely data recording in Excel. Let's navigate to the employee form worksheet. This form is designed to display health screening details for a single employee at a time. It retrieves all the related information from the main worksheet table by using the screening ID. This allows the user to view or print a clean and focused report for just one employee. The form works by using a combination of the VLOOKUP and IF functions to search and match the data accurately from the table in the next sheet. Capturing data this way helps reduce errors, improves individual tracking, and makes reporting much easier. Please watch my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions to understand how this is working. Now let's navigate to the next sheet, which contains the main data table. Column D is where all the screening IDs are captured. These same IDs are used in the previous sheet's form to retrieve data for a specific employee record, making it easy to manage individual health screenings accurately. Above the table, there's a mini summary table showing key insights from the main data table. I will now put the video on fast forward as I demonstrate how each of these buttons works, just to save time while still showing the full functionality in action. The search button plays a crucial role in efficient data capturing by quickly locating specific complaint records within the main table. It eliminates the need to manually scroll through rows, reducing errors and saving time. This functionality ensures accuracy when updating or reviewing complaint details, streamlining the overall complaint management process and improving productivity for users handling large datasets. The Add New Row button is a real-time saver, especially when the table contains many rows. Instead of manually scrolling to the bottom to insert a new row, this button instantly adds a fresh row in the correct position. It streamlines data capturing, reduces errors, and helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. The Delete Row button is very useful when managing large tables with many rows. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries to find and remove a specific row, this button quickly deletes the selected row instantly. It helps maintain clean, accurate data by removing unwanted records efficiently, saving time and minimizing mistakes during data capturing processes. The Save as PDF button lets you highlight a specific range within your large table and save only that selected data as a PDF file. This feature is very useful for capturing and sharing particular sections of your data without including the entire table, helping keep your reports clear, focused, and well organized while leaving other rows unaffected. The Save as Word button allows you to highlight and select a specific range within your large table, then save only that chosen data as a Word document. This is especially useful when you want to extract and save particular rows without including the entire table, making data capturing more efficient and organized, while keeping other rows untouched and intact. The Filter Data button allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, hiding all other irrelevant rows. This makes it easier to focus on important data without distractions. Once you're done reviewing or editing, simply click the Unhide button to reveal all hidden rows and return to the full table view. In the Notes and Instructions worksheet, I've included a dedicated section focused on the disclaimer and my contact details. This part is essential for anyone using the template, as it clarifies the intended use, limitations, and responsibilities associated with the workbook. Right below the disclaimer, I've also provided my contact details for those who may need support, have questions, or would like to request a customized version of this template. Whether you prefer to reach out via WhatsApp or email, feel free to contact me directly anytime for further assistance or guidance. The Save as Word button on the report worksheet automatically saves a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a Word document. You don't need to select any range, making it quick and easy to export the entire report layout for a specific complaint. This ensures consistent formatting and saves time when sharing standardized reports without extra steps. The Save as PDF button on the report worksheet is designed to export a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a PDF file. You don't need to manually select anything, just click the button and your complaint report will be saved instantly with the correct layout. This simplifies the process, especially when you need to generate uniform reports quickly and professionally for documentation or sharing purposes. That brings us to the end of this overview tutorial on the Employee Health Screening Data Template. I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand how to navigate the workbook, use the form to retrieve individual employee records, and interpret the charts and summary data for better health tracking. Keeping accurate records of employee screenings is a key step in promoting workplace wellness and preventing potential health risks. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and watching my other tutorials for more Excel-based SHEQ tools and templates. Thank you for watching.